This was supposed to be my last summer camping trip to the Oregon coast, and honestly, I almost didn't go. I spent 2 days fighting through this, all for a few moments of this. Let's set up camp and see if it was worth it. Well, I'm back here at the coast camping. Do you ever have one of those moments where you book something in advance and the day that you're supposed to depart, you just don't want to go anymore? Well, that was me today. Usually those are the moments where you have the best time, so I'm gonna just see how this goes. I may have gotten the worst spot of my life, and it's all my fault because I chose it. There's a spot right next to me, so it won't be very private. Okay, we have a new addition to our camping. This is a cot. I think it's a 15-inch tall cot, so we'll see how this goes. I upgraded my stakes. These are iron and they're super strong. So that's a huge win. Okay, cot fits perfectly on the one side. So let's get this started. Okay, here's my new cot. It's pretty high off the ground, so it's gonna be easy to get out of bed to go to the bathroom. So that was pretty nice. By the way, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Tori, and I'm solo camping in my backyard here in the Pacific Northwest. I don't know about you, but putting a camp together is hard work, so I've just been sweating my butt off here at the coast. I arrived with perfect hair, and now it's all frizzy. Yay me. I love that I'm just sitting on my cot inside my tent. That is the coolest thing. This cot is comfortable. Can't wait to sleep tonight. Maybe I should go to bed early. Dinner, we're having Mexican style adobo rice and chicken. So we'll see how this one tastes. I bet it's a winner too. Here's what it looks like inside. Should be tasty. Let's give it a little taste here. That's pretty good. It's got a good flavor, good texture, so I declare this one a winner as well. Sunset is just absolutely beautiful. I love it here. This might be my new favorite breakfast. Spam, hash browns, and eggs. Yummy. I'm here at the Oregon coast at Cape Lookout, and it's just beautiful. 60 degrees, there's coastal fog. I think the sun's supposed to be out like at 1-ish, so we'll come back here and see how it looks at that time. So this is Netarts Bay. This is the first time I've seen it at high tide. Usually I see it at low tide and people are out there fishing for something. I don't know if it's crabs or something else. This is the third time I've had grocery store sushi at Netarts Bay, so I think it's become a tradition. What do you think? Okay, here is dinner tonight. We'll see how this one tastes. And here's what it looks like before I put water in. This will be interesting. This is probably one of the best meals I've had. It's so good. Well, that's the last of the wood, so once this fire is out, it is lights out for me. Well, in true Oregon fashion, it's raining. Well, it's sprinkling, but there's supposed to be showers in the area, so I don't know if you can hear that. We'll see if I can catch anything on film. Well, that's a wrap on my last summer coastal camping trip. I won't lie. The fog never lifted, and I didn't see the sun again after that first night. But you know what? I still had an absolute blast, and I'm so glad I didn't cancel at the last minute. It just goes to show, even when you're not in the mood, just go. You might just have the time of your life. If you want to come along on the next adventure, make sure you subscribe. Until then, go chase your own wild.